Exploring passive income strategies in cryptocurrency investing. Introduction. Welcome to Elysian Byte, your trusted source for expert insights and strategies in the world of cryptocurrency investing. In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting realm of passive income strategies in the crypto space. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a crypto enthusiast looking to explore new avenues, join us as we uncover 6 key strategies that can potentially generate passive income in the world of cryptocurrency. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this informative journey with Elysian Byte. Staking for passive income. Our first strategy revolves around staking, a process where you lock up your crypto holdings to support the network's operations and earn rewards. Staking offers a passive income stream by simply holding and staking your tokens. We'll explore popular staking coins such as Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot. We'll discuss the requirements and steps involved in staking, including setting up a staking wallet and selecting the right staking pool. Additionally, we'll delve into the potential returns investors can expect from staking and the factors that influence staking rewards. Masternodes and ongoing rewards. Moving on, we have masternodes, which involve running dedicated nodes to support a cryptocurrency's network. Masternodes offer regular rewards in exchange for performing network functions and maintaining a specific token balance. We'll explore the benefits of masternodes, including the potential for higher rewards compared to staking. We'll discuss the setup process, hardware and software requirements, and how to choose the right masternode project to invest in. Additionally, we'll delve into the potential returns from masternodes and the risks involved, such as maintaining uptime and monitoring network security. Yield farming and DeFi opportunities. Our next strategy takes us into the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, and yield farming. By providing liquidity to DeFi protocols, investors can earn passive income through interest, fees, or governance tokens. We'll explore popular yield farming platforms such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Compound. We'll discuss the risks and rewards associated with yield farming, including impermanent loss and smart contract risks. We'll also provide tips for maximizing returns, such as diversifying investments, monitoring gas fees, and staying updated on the latest trends in the DeFi space. Dividend-paying tokens and profit sharing. Some blockchain projects issue dividend-paying tokens that distribute a portion of their profits to token holders. We'll discuss how these tokens function, the criteria for receiving dividends, and the potential for passive income based on the project's success and financial performance. We'll explore examples of dividend-paying tokens such as Neo's Gas and Nexo's Nexo tokens. We'll also delve into the factors that influence dividend payouts and the importance of analyzing a project's revenue model and sustainability before investing in dividend-paying tokens. Exploring crypto savings accounts. Crypto savings accounts offer a familiar concept of earning interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. We'll explore popular platforms and exchanges that provide this service, such as BlockFi, Celsius Network, and Nexo. We'll discuss the security measures in place, such as cold storage and insurance coverage, to safeguard your funds. We'll also delve into the potential returns investors can expect from depositing their assets into these accounts, including fixed interest rates and bonus interest opportunities. Additionally, we'll discuss the flexibility and accessibility of funds in crypto savings accounts. Token airdrops and unexpected opportunities. Lastly, we'll discuss token airdrops, where projects distribute free tokens to existing holders or community members. While airdrops are not guaranteed income streams, they offer unexpected opportunities for passive income if the project succeeds or if the tokens can be traded on exchanges. We'll explore strategies for identifying and capitalizing on potential airdrop opportunities, such as staying active in crypto communities, following project announcements, and participating in token distribution events. We'll also discuss the importance of evaluating the project's fundamentals and team before deciding to hold or sell airdrop tokens. Conclusion. We've covered 6 key passive income strategies in the world of cryptocurrency investing, including staking, masternodes, yield farming, dividend-paying tokens, crypto savings accounts, and token airdrops. Remember, these strategies come with their own risks, and thorough research and due diligence are essential. It's always wise to consult with experts, stay updated on market trends, and consider your risk tolerance before diving into any passive income strategy. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content from Elysian Byte. We hope you found this information interesting and informative. If you liked our content, please take a second and like, comment, and subscribe to help us grow this channel. We appreciate your support greatly.